After watching this video, you will go from this to this. In this video, I won't be talking about already popular frameworks such as React, Angular, Vue, etc. Nor I will be talking about popular code editors such as Visual Studio, Atom, Sublime. No, I simply want to share tools which I find useful for speeding up a developer's workflow. Watch till the end as these are really awesome resources and can make you a pro developer. Hi, my name is Divasraj Vimal, and on this channel I share my journey. I talk about web development, make tutorials, I share tips and tricks, and also talk about freelancing and making money, entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more amazing content, or you can go through my channel and you might find something useful. You might have seen some of these before, but I am glad if someone discovers something new and useful. List contain many diverse resources, so I will organize them in two groups, JS and CSS, and for you to access them easily, I am also providing a link in the description from where you can download a PDF which contains all of these resources along with their links and screenshots so that you can discover them and find something useful when you need them, and you can make use of it easily at the right time. So the first site is particle.js. It's a library for creating beautiful floating particles on a web page. You can also interact with them like this. 3js. It's a library for creating 3D objects and spaces on a web pages. Many people have created beautiful websites with the help of 3js and it's very popular. Fullpage.js. Easy to implement full page scroll feature like this. Open, easy, touch me, and you can again scroll back. Type.js gives typewriter effect. As you can already see, this kind of effect is given with the help of type.js. You can give to your text also. Next site is chart.js. So you can make beautiful charts using only JavaScript. So it's really cool website. I am sure you might have heard of this also. Next site is Instant Click. You can dynamically speed up your website load time, preload resources on mouse hover. So this make your website's navigation effectively instant. So it looks like it's almost instant in most cases. Next site is chartist.js. It's also another chart library. I think it also has animated charts too. Yeah, you can look here. They have animated charts. Barba.js. You can create badass, fluid and smooth transitions between your website's pages. Just like this, you can create awesome smooth animations. I'm just clicking on the next site is 2020. It's a visual differentiator tool to spot differences. You might have seen these kind of tools on sites where you need to differentiate between one image to another image. So next is Weavers.js. It's a library for making drawing animations on SVG. Next is Animate on Scroll. So it's pretty straightforward. With the help of this, you can animate your elements just like this. It has many animations such as flip, zoom. Next one is One Page Scroll, and again a one page scrolling library. You can create an Apple-like one page scroller website. Next site is parallax.js. It's a parallax engine that reacts to the orientation of a smart device. So this will work very well in your mobile devices, but it will also work for on your laptops or computers. Next site is dragdealer.js. It's a pretty cool dragging library. So you can just drag it like this. You can create these kind of features on your site. Here you can see it's increasing. Next one is multiscroll.js. It's a you can multi-scroll a website into two vertical scrolling panels. It looks really cool. So this is one of the examples what you can achieve with this library. Next site is favico.js. So you can have dynamic favicons just like these. Here you can have one, you can have two, you can have three, pop animations, fade animation, slide animation. Midnight.js. So you can switch fixed headers on the fly. So it works like this, and you might have seen this kind of elements on different websites. Next one is anime.js. It's an animation library and it's really cool. You can have really beautiful animations with this library like this. Wow, you can just animate anything. Next one is key code. So you can get JavaScript key code for a button that is pressed, for any button. So let's say H, this is D, this is U, this is P, this is. Next site is flex data list. For example, you type India, so you can see it is already showing India and Indonesia. Let's say you type AM, so it's America. Cleave.js, so it formats content while typing. So for example, you want to format in the form of credit card number, then you can use that. In the form of phone number formatting, you can have date formatting, time formatting, numeral formatting, custom options. Now next one is shepherd.js. You can guide users through your app. Click on next. You can 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 click on done. Yeah, so you can create this with the help of shepherd.js. It also has documentations. Next one is tooltip. So it already speaks itself. So it's a tooltip library. Now we will be moving to CSS part, and it also has really awesome CSS libraries which you will love. So our first site is animate.css. So you can click on bounce, flash, pulse, rubber band like this, shake XY, shake Y, hinge like this. Next one is flat UI colors. So it's a list of simple and effective main colors. Whenever you are confused with the colors, just come here, pick one palette and use those colors. So collect UI is a hand-picked curation of dribble shots. It aims to categorize and make it easy to get quick inspiration. It features more than 13,000 designs and is updating every day. The stocks.im. So it's a stock is a hand-picked curation of best stock photos, videos, audios, fonts, icons and mock-up website. Our next site is flat UI colors. It's a list of simple and effective main colors. Our next site is Material Design Lite. It's a framework based on Google's Material Design. Materialui.co. So many resources for material design framework. So you can just come here. Icons, blocks, TDF. So our next site is emojikeyboard.io. So you can just come here and click on any emoji and just copy that. Colors. It's a random color generator. So when you click on spacebar, it generates a random color. Next site is section separators. It's a CSS section divider. So you might have seen awesome section dividers on different websites like this. Create Kanban's effect. So Kanban's effect using CSS3 animation. So it's a slow pan and zoom of a static image. Magic animations. So you can have magic effects, for example like this, like this. Next site is CSS gradient generator. So you can generate gradient with the help of CSS gradient generator. You can click on need inspiration. So you can check inspiration. Next one is CSS box shadow generator. So you can generate box of a shadow with the help of this, and then just copy the CSS code directly from here. Next one is your palette. It's a simple curated selection of color palettes and it's updated weekly. Next one is CSS spin. So you can generate CSS spinners and loaders. These are very beautiful loaders you can have on your project. Feather icons, as the name suggests, site for icons which you can just have. Next one is ion icons. So it's also for icons. Outline, these are filled, these are sharp. Next one is font awesome. So I think you might have heard of this already. So it's also for icons. Next one is font generator. So you can combine multiple fonts and create a mixture. Roboto, that's how it looks. Next one is Bootstrap. It's a framework, build fast responsive sites with the help of Bootstrap. I think you might have heard of this before. Next one is What Runs. So it's a Chrome plugin to discover what technology are used to build a website. So you can just add this to your Chrome. Next one is Learn Anything. So it's a powerful mind map that breaks down certain subjects. For example, front end, so you can have front end resources. So I hope you found some really cool tools and libraries, and link is in the description to download a PDF which have all the links and images, so that you don't forget about these resources and you can use them at the right time. You might also like these videos, so you can watch these videos next. Do share this video with the people who might find this video helpful, and subscribe for more amazing videos.